Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, welcome back. Guys, I wanted to share with you guys my top tips for whenever you go to an event. Okay, so guys, if you're going to a festival, if you're going to like a day party, if you go, you want to look your utmost best, I'm just going to share with you guys my top tips that you should always take with you whenever you go to an event, because these are key essentials. Okay, number one is bring a positive attitude with you. If you've bought a ticket to go somewhere, if you have been invited and you've agreed to go somewhere, the least you can do is make sure that you are happy to be there, because otherwise, why would you leave your house to go somewhere if you don't want to be there? So I would definitely say make sure that you have a positive, welcoming, friendly, open-minded attitude, because you never know who you're gonna meet there. My number one thing is, whenever you go somewhere, make sure you take your attitude with you, and it's positive, it's inviting, and yeah, because once you do that, you never know. And this is probably, there is no particular order, by the way. We don't have any kind of order. We're just gonna give out the tips. Okay, make sure, I would say, finance. Okay, some people have the money, they don't check their wallets. Some people have the money, fair enough, and some of us may want to budget. So whenever you go to an event, I would just say stick to your budgeting limit. Okay, there's going to be a lot of entertainment, a lot of food, a lot of drinks. There may be vendors that want to sell you things. Okay? Stick to your budget. If you don't want to spend lots, there's different things you can do. You can eat before you get there. Like, for example, where I am currently, we're able to come back and forth to the car. So if you need to pack some snacks in a car and you don't want to spend money, inside the venue, and then they're letting you come back and forth, do that. Don't have no shame in your game when you're trying to be frugal with your hard-earned money. Okay, and if you want to splash out, by all means, order the full VIP and everything like that. That's absolutely perfect. Do you? But if you want to be frugal, you want to be mindful, and you still want to have a good time, but you don't want your pocket to bleed, yeah, definitely make sure that you eat before you get to the event, you drink before you get to the event, and keep a little snack in the car, so whenever you come back to change your shoe, or whenever you come back to recharge, regroup, you have something to eat in your car. Okay, don't have no shame in your game. Do not have no shame in your game, because a lot of the time these vendors, we support them, we want them to thrive. They do charge triple the price of what the item would normally be. So at the end of the day, do what works for you. Okay, so guys, the third thing I will say is, if you are planning on going with a group of people, make sure that you all have the same goal and you all get along. And if you have come in the same voyage, the same car, make sure that you all agree to leave at the same time. Okay, there's nothing worse when you come with your girls, when you come with your guys, and then people want to start diverting and you've got other plan the following day. So definitely make sure that whenever you come in a group, that you have a mutual respectful understanding, that you're going to get there and what time you're going to get out. You might want to give yourself a bit of leeway, but at least everybody's on mutual understanding ground, because you want to be having this type of events where you go out with your friends, you get together. Hi guys, so what I was saying was my tips for my top tips for coming to any type of event, when it's outdoor, if it's a festival, if it's a function. I would say make sure that this is specifically probably for the ladies. Okay, if you're wearing high heels, you're looking beautiful, you're looking gorgeous. Okay, you want to wear your high heels. Okay, you want the fashion to be fashioning. Okay, make sure that you bring a spare pair of shoes, because you don't want to have bust down feet later on. Okay, you still want your feet to be pretty, and you still want to make sure that you have nice feet, because nice feet is important. Let me know what you think about feet. a bit of a weird one, but let me know, okay? Let me know. I'm not going to share my feet with you, but you know, let me know if you like nice feet. I'm pretty sure that we all do, but just let me know. Yeah, so make sure that you are bringing a spare pair of shoe, so that way whenever your feet are aching, respectfully, you can just get home safely, walk around without your feet really throbbing and hurting, because you know you may have work the next day, you may have to go somewhere else the next day. The last thing you want to do is hurt your feet. So bring a spare pair of shoe, and then you can enjoy the rest of the evening. If there is dance after, if there's lots of like walking, whatever the case may be, just for you to be comfortable. So whenever you go to a function, you want to make sure that you are comfortable, okay? Be yourself. One thing I would say is be yourself, be free, be you, and that's what will attract the right people into your circle, okay? So my final tip that I would just say whenever you are going to an event that I would recommend, I would just say behave yourself, okay? Just be good. Like, you know, some people throw rubbish on the floor, they misbehave, they might drink beyond their means, and it's like, know your limit with everything that you do. Because at the end of the day, you are the representation of yourself. Yeah, wherever you go, you are your represent your I can't pronounce. But all I'm trying to say is, wherever you go, regardless of the scenario, whether it's, you know, an updo event or it's a really casual event, be yourself. You know, be yourself. Don't try to be somebody you're not. Don't try to be disruptive. Don't try to be bad mind. Don't try to be, you know, if that's not you, don't be it. Just respect the rules, the regulation. You know, if they say, you know, don't bring alcohol, or if they say don't bring any sharp items, or don't bring any food, just respect it. If there's a specific dress code, respect it. Be classy, you know, respect what the event organizers is putting together for you and your entertainment. So make sure that you respect it, and that's my tips. If there is any more tips that you guys want to add in a comment section, make sure that you drop me a comment. Let me know. There is a lot more, but I'm gonna stick to this one because I really want to make the video super short. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and let me know your thoughts. And if you have experienced kind of like bad behavior, also let me know. If you've experienced really good behavior, let me know. The best event that you can ever go to is where everybody is unified. There's unity, there's love, there's engagement, there's happiness, and people are getting along together. And you don't need to overdo it to have fun. So just be you in any scenario. You know you're responsible, so be that, you know. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the video. With that being said, guys, make sure if you are new and you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Click that like button, because you know I really want to grow. I want to keep bringing you guys content, and if you are returning, I really do appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.